back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with another synthetic wig review. Now today's wig, as y'all can see, she is black, wavy, and she is also long. She's about 32 inches long. It's been a little while since I've done a long synthetic wig review here on my channel, so we are back today with one. Now I did receive this wig off of Amazon, so make sure you guys check the description box below where I will leave the link for you guys in case you are interested in purchasing this wig. But I'm going to definitely give you guys the tea on this wig, okay? So if you are not familiar with my wig reviews, I will show you the construction of the cap. Then of course, I will give you guys some more details about the wig. And then finally, I will let you guys know how I feel about the wig. So if you are interested in hearing all about this long beauty right here, then keep watching. Saw from the previous clip, this wig has 3 combs. It has 2 in the front and 1 in the back. It also has an adjustable strap. Now this wig is also a middle part wig, and it did have a little lace, which of course I did cut off. So this is how the lace, this is how the part is looking. I didn't put any powder in the part this time. I just, put her on and said, whatever. Now, what I do like about this wig, and then I will get into more details about it. Right now, what I do like about it is that it is easy to install very quickly, as you guys saw. All I had to do was put the combs in and adjust it to my liking, and that was it. Brushed it out a little bit, and that was it. But anywho, we'll get into more about this wig and how I feel about it a little later, but let's go ahead and give you guys some more details about this wig. Okay, so once again, this wig is from Amazon. This is their long, wavy, middle part synthetic wig. It's about 32 inches long. The color is 1B, and it retails for $24.99. So very affordable. Now they do have some other colors. They actually have like about 2 more colors that I actually would like to get and review for you guys. I might end up keeping them, not too sure. Now it's not much to this wig. Like I said, very simple to install and all of that stuff. Of course, as you guys saw beforehand, there was a little lace and I did cut it. Now, the wig is shedding a tad bit. It's just a couple of strands here and there, more than likely because I did cut it a little bit close. But yeah, nothing too bad. Now, y'all know how I feel about synthetic hair, synthetic soft hair. And this wig is absolutely soft. It's really soft. The texture is also really gorgeous. I love the wave. And then the fact that it's just so long, the waviness just looks really, really good. So yeah, I really do like this wig. I like how it's layered in the front. I think I've had a couple wigs like this, but it's kind of shorter in the front and then the rest is super long, which is fine. It gives it that more natural, type of style. But anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all around. So here's how she looks in the front. This is how she looks on the side. This is how she looks in the back. And this is how she looks on the other side. So again, I am really liking her. I'm just rubbing, you know, my fingers through it. It's a little tangled in some areas, not too bad, but I also didn't brush it out completely, so that could be as well. But other than that, it is super soft, long. The texture is definitely gorgeous. So I really do like this wig. Y'all don't sleep on synthetic wigs, okay? Some of them really do come in handy. But that is pretty much it for this wig review. You guys let me know down below in the comments how you feel about this wig as far as the length, texture, the color. Would you rock a 32-inch synthetic wig like this? Let me know down below in the comments, because y'all know I really love when y'all share y'all's opinions and all that good stuff. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. And of course, don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button, as well as post notification bell so you will not miss new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.